Ka Office District 8's Control Ribhoi District kala rakhe yakasngi International Youth Day daga bapenlong yakajingelang jogi Khynnah Skul ban hikai bat penshai haki ya kajingpang yabit HIV AIDS kapala sedang ban kenrei ha Meghalaya. Kani kajingpang kalong ka basyirkhei bat kaba amla ashu ban penkoj haru kisni jong kajingyap. Lengba kalumpung hikai ban tip ikijingma jingpur bat jingabit ya kani kajingpang bat ki kilat kidenti ban kiarnaka ki Samla ha kani kajuk bat kapor ki bat yala kajing hala ki jong kislakti. Lada ki sngap ki Jinghikai jing batai bat ki kiar na kilenti ki bayalam sya kajing jot kalawai kan pernai. Hendrai lada ki jit ban sadhai klem jing perwa kasyong hakamon jongki. Shwa ban sedang kalumpung hikai ki Khynnah Skul kilayat bat ba hasurok nadu paham siem hadu Ribhoi College deka ba perta persya ya kajingpang HIV AIDS. Deputy Commissioner Ribhoi Abhilash Baranwal ulalong ukongsan bat lasenran lang deki riu khmat kane ke district Dr. E Kalwing District AIDS Control Officer kong E Kharkongor Principal Ribhoi College kinong tre ka kot kakhya bat kilong kemi long kpa na kidong ka Nongpoh. Ki Khynnah Skul na Nongpoh kila syim benta da kajingkemen ha kane ka lumpung hikai jing tip syapang kajingpang HIV AIDS.
Addicted to any drug. Nobody who is using drugs or who is using alcohol plans to become addicted to it. Nobody who is alcohol plans to become a drunkard. And that's a fact. You can discuss with anyone. Everyone thinks that they are the epitome of self-control, that they will be able to stop as and when they want, or they are only using it for fun, or maybe to provide them relief of circumstances which are too difficult to tolerate otherwise. Maybe they are going through a breakup, maybe they have just had a failure in examinations, maybe they have just had an argument with their parents, maybe whatever might be the circumstance. The point is, and again to emphasize, nobody who is currently an addict or is a drunkard plan that they will become so. They were like you only, they were like me only. It's just that the red line which one has to cross to fall into that category where they cannot live without these substances is so difficult to spot. And that discretion to be able to spot that red line, that probably I'm not the one who is controlling my behavior anymore, I'm not the one who is controlling my urge to take these substances anymore. It's rather the substance which is controlling me, and these urges have become far more frequent. This ability to spot it further diminishes as people start using it. So the responsibility, people generally say that it is true that whether somebody becomes an addicted person, somebody starts using drug or not, it's a culmination of different factors. But the single most important factor is the personal will. Whether the person himself or herself wanted to take the drug or not. Whether they fell into the peer pressure or not. Because for every one person who is addicted, you have 99 others who are not addicted. Correct? They have also come to the same society, more or less they have had the same set of parents. Even in a family, you will see that somebody is addicted and somebody is a teetotaler.